Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best umbrella table plug on the market. The Bememo 2-inch Patio Table Umbrella Whole Rain and Cap Set. If you have a patio umbrella with a table, you know how important it is to have a stable, secure fit for the umbrella pole, and this product promises just that. The Bememo Umbrella Whole Rain and Cap Set is designed specifically for standard patio tables with a 2-inch diameter hole. It fits umbrella poles that are 1.65 inches in diameter or smaller, making it compatible with most common patio umbrellas. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to replace or upgrade their existing umbrella table plug. One of the standout features of this set is its construction. Made from high-quality PVC plastic, the ring is durable and resistant to temperature fluctuations and sunlight exposure. This means it won't easily break or degrade over time, even when exposed to outdoor elements like heat or rain. The material also helps to reduce wear and tear on your umbrella pole by stabilizing it and preventing scratches or dents that can happen when the pole shifts around in the hole. Another great benefit is the included cap accessory. When your umbrella is not in use, the cap neatly fills the hole, giving your patio table a clean and finished look. This helps to protect the table surface from dirt, debris, and moisture while maintaining an attractive appearance. So, whether it's summer or winter, your table looks neat and stays protected. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. The ring fits snugly into the table hole, providing a secure hold for the umbrella pole. It is designed for tables with 5 to 6 mm thickness, particularly those made of tempered glass or similar materials. This ensures a firm fit without the need for complicated tools or adjustments. The dimensions of the product are compact, measuring just 2.4 by 2.4 by 0.55 inches, and it's lightweight at just over 1/3 of an ounce. This makes it easy to handle, install, and even store when not in use. In summary, the Bememo 2-inch Patio Table Umbrella Whole Rain and Cap Set offers a perfect blend of durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal for your outdoor space. It stabilizes your umbrella, protects your table, and keeps everything looking neat when the umbrella is not in use. If you're looking to enhance your patio setup with a reliable and well-made umbrella hole plug, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.